Computer network topologies. Computer network topologies describe the arrangement of devices and connections in a network. Here are some common topologies. Bus topology, single central cable bus to which all devices are connected. Devices share the same communication medium. Bus topology has some benefits or advantages. Simplicity. Bus topology is straightforward and easy to set up, making it cost-effective and suitable for small networks. Ease of expansion. Adding new devices to a bus network is relatively simple, requiring the connection of the new device to the existing bus. Cost-effective cabling. Bus networks require less cabling compared to some other topologies, reducing installation costs. Well suited for small networks. Bus topology is efficient for small networks, where the simplicity of design outweighs potential performance issues. Ease of troubleshooting. Identifying and resolving issues in a bus network can be simpler due to its linear structure and fewer connection points. However, it's important to note that while bus topology has these advantages, it also has limitations or disadvantages. A limited scalability, single point of failure, performance issues with heavy traffic, security concerns, difficulty in identifying faults. Next is star topology. All devices are connected to a central hub or switch. Communication occurs through the hub or switch. Star topology advantages. Star topology offers several advantages, including centralized control, easy troubleshooting, and scalability. It allows for efficient management of network resources and ensures that the failure of one device does not affect the entire network. Star topology disadvantages. Despite its advantages, star topology has drawbacks. If the central hub fails, the entire network may be disrupted. Additionally, the cost of implementing and maintaining the central hub can be higher compared to other topologies, and the system performance may degrade as more devices connect to the hub. Next, ring topology. Devices are connected in a closed loop or ring. Data travels in one direction through the ring. Ring topology advantages. A ring topology offers advantages such as simplicity in design and installation, as well as balanced network performance, since each device has equal access to the network. Additionally, it requires less cabling compared to some other topologies, making it cost effective for certain scenarios. Limitations. Ring topology limitations or disadvantages. A ring topology has drawbacks, including the potential for network disruption if any device or connection in the ring fails. Troubleshooting can be challenging since the failure of one device affects the entire network. Expanding or modifying the network can also be complex, and overall performance may decline as more devices are added to the ring. Mesh topology. Devices are interconnected, creating multiple paths between them, high redundancy and reliability. Mesh topology benefits or advantages. Mesh topology offers advantages such as high reliability and redundancy, since each device is connected to every other device. There are multiple paths for data to travel, reducing the risk of network failure. Mesh networks are robust and can adapt well to failures, ensuring continuous communication. Mesh topology limitations or disadvantages. Mesh topology comes with disadvantages, including the high cost of cabling and the complexity of design and installation. The extensive wiring required for every device to connect to every other device can be expensive and challenging to manage. Additionally, the maintenance and troubleshooting of such intricate networks can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. Tree topology. Combination of bus and star topologies. Hierarchical structure with a central main bus or hub and branching sub networks. Tree topology benefits or advantages. Tree topology combines with advantages of star and bus topologies. Some of its advantages include scalability, as it allows for the easy addition of branches and devices, and it provides a hierarchical structure, simplifying network management and troubleshooting. Additionally, tree topology can offer better performance than a pure bus topology, since not all devices share the same communication path. Tree topologies limitations or disadvantages. Tree topology has drawbacks, including the risk of network disruption. If the central hub route fails, the dependence on the central hub can create a single point of failure for the entire network. Additionally, the complexity of the hierarchy may increase the cost of implementation and maintenance. Expansion can also be challenging, especially if the network needs continuous growth or modification. Hybrid topology. Combination of two or more different topologies provides flexibility and scalability. Advantages of hybrid topologies. Hybrid topologies combine different types of network topologies to leverage their respective advantages. Some advantages of hybrid topology include increased flexibility, improved reliability, and better scalability. By integrating multiple topologies, a hybrid approach can tailor the network design to meet specific requirements, optimizing performance and robustness. Hybrid topology limitations or disadvantages. Hybrid topologies come with certain disadvantages such as increased complexity in design and management. Integrating different topologies requires careful planning and can make troubleshooting more challenging. The cost of implementation and maintenance may also be higher due to the combination of various technologies. Additionally, there is still a potential for a single point of failure depending on the specific combination of topology chosen. Point-to-point topology. Point-to-point topology, also known as a link or line topology, connects two devices directly. This simple configuration has advantages like straightforward setup. Point-to-point topology advantages or benefits. A dedicated connection. Each link is dedicated to connecting two devices, ensuring exclusive communication between them without sharing bandwidth. Low latency, simple configuration, predictable performance, security, efficient use of bandwidth. Point-to-point topology limitations or disadvantages. Scalability issues. Point-to-point connections are not easily scalable, and adding more devices requires individual links for each new connections, leading to complexity and increased cost. A limited connectivity, cost, maintenance challenges, single point of failure, cabling requirements. Thanks for watching.